Okay, y'all, we are about to make the easiest either chicken pot pie or chicken and dumplings in the history of ever. It's made exactly the same way. It just depends on how you end the process. So here's the ingredients. It's just some basic mixed vegetables, 3 chicken breasts, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, some seasonings like salt and pepper, seasoning salt, oregano, celery salt and onion powder, maybe some garlic salt, whatever you want to throw in for seasoning. These are all just dried. So let's start piling it into the crock pot so you can see how easy it is. I'm going to dump my chicken breasts in first. Okay, so you can see the chicken breasts are in there. And then I'm going to open my mixed vegetables. Probably going to use a half a bag of that. I'll see as I mix it around. That's what it's looking like right now. I'm going to add my I'm so lazy. But that's, you know what? This is a perfect dish for a lazy person. 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. And this is when I will measure. There it is. Now I'm just going to mix it in and eyeball it to see if I have enough vegetables. You see, I'm just mixing it up. Ooh, yucky! I just leave the chicken on the bottom. And to me, I like more veggies, so I'm gonna go for it. Whole bag. Whole bag of veggies going in. Veggies are in, and now I'm going to start seasoning. I'm going to be kind of generous. My oregano. Celery salt. Onion powder. Seasoning salt. You can just use whatever you want. And basic salt and pepper. Salt it up. Plenty of pepper. Pepper makes it good. Okay, now I'm going to mix it up. It looks thick and icky, but just wait. I used to thin it down with chicken broth, but I have learned that as the chicken cooks, the juices from the chicken mix in and creates its own broth, so it does make it less thick. And if I may add at the end some chicken broth to it, depending on if I want dumplings. If I'm going to do, which I think I'm going to do, is a pot pie, I am going to not add anything. So we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to put it on, I'll check it in about 4 hours. So I'll come back and show you where it's at. Representing Kansas City Chiefs. I do not care about football one lick, but it was a gift, and yeah, you can't live in the Kansas City metro area without being a Chiefs fan. So I am going to go ahead and let that cook for about 4 hours, and I'll come back and check it. I'm checking in the crock pot, and it's watered way down, which is good. I mean, not way down, but it's still thick. But I'm going to try taking out a piece of chicken. and seeing if it is ready. The only way I'll know is if it shreds, but I want to keep the lid on the crock pot just in case it needs to cook a while longer. It's been 5 hours on high, which is really a long time, so it should be ready. We shall see. Yep, it's ready. It's shredding away. So I'm just going to shred the chicken with a fork, with 2 forks. Oh, and I'm going to preheat my oven. To 425. Make sure it's clear. All clear. I decided to do pot pie, but with biscuits and on top instead of a pie crust. That's why I turned the oven on. Okay, let me shred the other 2 pieces of chicken and I will be right back. Okay, I'm going to dump in the rest of the sliced, the shredded chicken. And then I'm going to mix it up. Now at this point is if you were going to make chicken and dumplings, you would go ahead and do your dumplings. Let's see if you can see it. Let me get a good scoop of it out. So it's just like a really thick chicken soup. Chicken and vegetable soup. So if you were making chicken and dumplings, at this point you would just tear up some biscuits, some canned biscuits, and put it in there because that is the easiest way to do it. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on and let this keep cooking because I've got a little time and the oven's preheating and it'll be ready by the time Dennis gets home from work. He'll have dinner ready. I'll be back. Okay, I have this Corningware dish. I got the whole set I inherited that from my mother-in-law. I'm going to transfer. It's shallow, so I'm not going to use a whole lot. I'll save the breast to make chicken and dumplings for tomorrow, and I'll take those to my kids and grandkids for dinner. So I'm just going to make a mess. Yay, this is the fun part. Yummy. So I'm now going to take canned biscuits, which I just opened and they kind of blowed up. But I'm just going to take canned biscuits and put them on the top. So there we are. That's what I have right now. And I'm just going to put that in the oven for... Ooh. And for this, I'm going to put it on warm for now and lock it down so that I can turn it into chicken and dumplings. I believe the timer is about to go off. Take a peek. See how they look. Looks pretty good. And there it is. It's not chicken and dumplings, it's chicken and biscuits. Okay, and here is it getting served up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's my bowl. And look what Dennis made. Chocolate chip cookies. How was your dinner?
It was good. It was really good. I enjoyed it.
Did it seem like I worked all day on it?
Like a slave for hours. Finally, fresh chopped vegetables, homemade sauce,
Oh yeah.
homemade biscuits.
That's what it's about.
Killed the chicken in the backyard, plucked it, and stuffed it.
No. Ooh.
What? It was amazing.
Poor chicken.